C of 5 comma 7 and D of minus 1 comma 1 are the vertices of a rectangle. Now we have to prove that these points are rectangle, forms a rectangle. First part, length of AB A of 2 comma minus 2, B of 8 comma 4, x1 y1, x2 y2. AB is equal to root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. That is AB is equal to root over x2 8 minus 2 whole square, y2 4, y1 is minus 2, that is minus of minus plus 2 whole square. That is AB is equal to root over 6 square plus 4 plus 2, 6 square. AB is equal to root 36 plus 36. AB is equal to root 72. That is AB is equal to root 72 can be 2 into 36, that is equal to 6 root 2 units. That is AB is equal to 6 root 2 units. Now length of BC, length of BC, B of 8 comma 4, C of 5 comma 7, that is x1 y1, x2 y2. BC is equal to root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. That is BC is equal to root over x2 5 minus x1 8 whole square plus y2 7 minus y1 4 whole square. That is BC is equal to root over 5 minus 8 minus 3 whole square, 7 minus 4 3 square. That is a BC is equal to root over 9 plus 9. 9 plus 9 can be written as 2 into 9. That is BC is equal to root 9 can be break down into 3 root 2 units. Now the length of the BC is equal to 3 root 2 units. Now length of, now AB completed, BC completed. Next length of CD, C of 5 comma 7, D of minus 1 comma 1, x1 y1, x2 y2. That is CD is equal to root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. That is CD is equal to root over minus 1 minus 5 whole square plus 1 minus 7 whole square. that is CD is equal to root over minus 6 whole square minus 6 whole square, that is CD is equal to root over 36 plus 36. CD is equal to root over 2 into 36 can. That is CD is equal to root 36 can be written as 6 root 2 units. Now CD value is completed. Next, length of AD, that is A of 2 comma minus 2 and D of minus 1 comma 1. Length of AD, A of 2 comma minus 2, D of minus 1 comma 1. Now AD is equal to root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. AD is equal to root over x2 minus 1 minus x1 is 2 whole square, y2 1, y1 is minus 2, that is a minus into minus plus 2. AD is equal to root over minus 3 whole square plus 3 square. AD is equal to root 9 plus 9. Now AD is equal to 2 into 9. AD is equal to root 9 can be written as 3 root 2 units. Now AB, BC, CD, DA, that is the length of 4 sides are completed. Then let us check opposite sides are equal or not. Value of AB 6 root 2 and value of CD, value of AB opposite CD 6 root 2, both are same. Next, opposite side to AD is BC, that is BC value and AD value both are same. Okay, that means a quadrilateral in which two pairs of opposite sides are equal. Now to conclude this is it is a rectangle. Now we have to do the verification of the diagonals. If diagonals are also equal, then it is called as a rectangle. Now let us follow length of AC. Length of AC, that is A of 2 comma minus 2, C of 5 comma 7, that is x1 y1 x2 y2. AC is equal to root over x2 minus x1 5 minus 2 whole square plus y2 minus y1 7 plus 2 whole square, that is AC is equal to root over 3 square plus 9 square, 5 minus 2 3, 7 plus 2 9. AC is equal to root over 9 plus 81, 9 square is 81, that is AC is equal to root 90, 81 plus 90. Now AC is equal to, which will be break down into 9 into 10, that is AC is equal to 3 root 10, because root 9 can be written as a 3 units. that is AC value is 3 root 10. Now length of BC is over. Next find the length of BD. Now find the length of the BD, that is B of 8 comma 4, D of minus 1 comma 1, x1 y1 x2 y2, that is equal to root over x2 minus x1 whole square, that is minus 1 minus 8 whole square, plus y2 minus y1 whole square, 1 minus 4 whole square, that is equal to root over minus 9 whole square plus minus 3 whole square, that is equal to root over 81 plus 9, that is BD is equal to root 90, BD is equal to root over 9 into 10, that is a BD is equal to 3 root 10 units. Therefore, the diagonals are also equal. Therefore, we conclude that AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD is equal to. Therefore, from the given question we conclude that the opposite sides AB is equal to CD is equal to 6 root 2 units, and one more pair BC is equal to AD is equal to 3 root 2 units, and the diagonals, these two are the sides. Next, diagonals AC is equal to BD, AC is equal to BD is equal to 3 root 10 units. Therefore, A comma B comma C comma D forms a rectangle. Therefore, ABCD is a rectangle. Let us follow the next example. In what ratio the point 1/2 comma 6 divides the line segment joining the points 3 comma 5 and minus 7 comma 9. Now let my supposition, let P of 1/2 comma 6 divides A of 3 comma 5 comma B of minus 7 comma 9 in the ratio m is to n, that is A of 3 comma 5 B of minus 7 comma 9 P of 1/2 comma 6, the ratio is m is to n. Now x1 y1 x2 y2. Now P of x comma y equal to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Now P of 1/2 comma 6 equal to m into x2 minus 7 n into x1 3 by m plus n. That is m y2 is 9, n y1 there is a 5 by m plus n. Now p of 1 by 2 comma 6 is equal to minus 7m plus 3n by m plus n, 9m plus 5n by m plus n. Now after this you have to equate to any one of the coordinates, either x coordinates or y coordinates. If you equate to x coordinates and if you equate to y coordinates, the answer will be the same. Equating x coordinates, that is minus 7m plus 3n by m plus n is equal to 1 by 2. That is cross multiplication. Minus 7m plus 3n into 2 is equal to m plus n into 1, that is m plus n. Next 2 into minus 7m minus 14m plus 6n is equal to m plus n. In the next step, grouping, minus 14m plus m, bring this side, minus m is equal to n minus plus 6n moves other side, minus 6n. That is minus 15m is equal to minus 5n. Minus minus get cancelled. That is m by n is equal to 5 by 15. Now let us make cross multiplication and check. 15 into m, 15m, n into 5, 5n. That is equal to 1 by 3. Therefore, m is to n is equal to 1 is to 3. Therefore, required ratio is 1 is to 3. Let us see next problem. Determine the ratio in which the point p of m comma 6 divides the join of a of minus 4 comma 3 and b of 2 comma 8. That is, let p of m comma 6 divides a of minus 4 comma 3 comma b of 2 comma 8 in the ratio m is to n. Now a of minus 4 comma 3, b of 2 comma 8, p of m comma 6. Now that is p of x comma y is equal to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, comma my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. That is p of m comma 6 is equal to m x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. M times x2 is a 2, n times x1 is a minus 4 by m plus n. Now m y2 plus n y1, y1 nothing but 3 by m plus n. Now P of m comma 6 is equals to 2m minus 4n by m plus n, 8m plus 3n by m plus n. That is equating y coordinates, y not x coordinates. In the x coordinates, m is the unknown value. Here these are also unknown values, m, n also unknown values. That is why 8m plus 3n by m plus n is equal to 6. Next, cross multiplication. 8m plus 3n is equal to 6 times m plus n. Now 8m plus 3n is equal to 6m plus 6n. Now grouping 8m minus 6m is equal to 6n minus 3n, that is 2m is equal to 3n, 2m is equal to 3n, therefore m by n is equal to 3 by 2. After cross multiplication 2 into m, 2m is equal to 3 into n, 3n, that is m is to n is equal to 3 is to 2. Now equating x coordinates, that is m is equal to 2m minus 4n by m plus n. Now m is equal to 2 times m value is a 3, 4 times n value is a 2 by 3 plus 2, that is m is equal to 6 minus 8 by 5, that is m is equal to minus 2 by 5. Therefore value of m equal to minus 2 by 5, therefore P of m comma 6 is equal to P of minus 2 by 5 comma 6. Okay, let us see the next problems. Find the ratio in which y-axis divides the line segment joining the points 5 comma minus 6, minus 1 comma minus 4. Also find the point of intersection. Let y of 0 comma a divides a of 5 comma minus 6, b of minus 1 comma minus 4 in the ratio m is to n. Here the question is given, find the ratio in which y axis, that is point on y axis is 0 comma a. Now a of 5 comma minus 6, b of minus 1 comma minus 4, y of 0 comma a. Now y of 0 comma a is equal to, write the formula, section formula, mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n, that is y of 0 comma a is equals to x1 y1 x2 y2, m into x1 m x2 minus 1 x1 5 by m plus n, y2 minus 4 plus n into y1 minus 6 by m plus n, that is y of 0 comma a is equal to minus m plus 5n by m plus n minus 4m minus 6n by m plus n. Now equating x coordinates, why? Because here y coordinate is unknown, that is a. Now minus m plus 5n by m plus n equal to 0, that is minus m plus 5n equal to m plus n will be cross multiplied and the part will becomes to 0. Next, minus m is equal to minus 5n, minus get cancelled, that is m by n is equal to 5 by 1, that is m is to n is equal to 5 is to 1, that is therefore required ratio is, 5 is to 1. After that we have to find out, also find the point of intersection. Point of intersection means here a value is unknown, we have to find out the value of the a. Now equating x coordinates, that is equating x coordinate is over. Next equating the y coordinates, minus 4m minus 6n by m plus n is equal to a. Now here m value is the 5 and n value is the 1, minus 4 times m value is the 5, 6 times 1 by 5 plus 1 is equal to a, minus 20 minus 6 by 6 is equal to a, minus 26 by 6 is equal to a, therefore a is equal to minus 13 by 3, 2 table. Therefore point of intersection is y of 0 comma minus 13 by 3. Let us come to second example. Find the ratio in which the line segment joining the points a of 1 comma minus 5, b of minus 4 comma 5 is divided by x-axis. Also find the coordinates of points of division. Answer to B. That is, let x of a comma 0 divides a of 1 comma minus 5, b of minus 4 comma 5 in the ratio m is to n. That is, a of 1 comma minus 5, b of minus 4 comma 5, x of a comma 0 in the ratio m is to n. That is, x of a comma 0 equal to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. That is, x of a comma 0 equal to x1 y1 x2 y2. That is, m times x2 minus 4 plus n times x1 1 by m plus n, m times y2 nothing but 5 plus n times y1 is minus 5 by m plus n. Now x of a comma 0 equal to minus 4m plus n by m plus n, 5m minus 5n by m plus n. Now equating y coordinates, that is, 5m minus 5n by m plus n equal to 0, 5m minus 5n is equal to 0, 5m is equal to 5n, that is, m by n is equal to 1 is to 1. That is, m is to n is equal to 1 is to 1. Now m is to n is equal to 1 is to 1.